Most people wake up to an alarm they hate, rush to a job they don't love, and spend their best hours making someone else rich. Raises vanish into bigger bills, and inflation quietly steals the rest. That's the rat race, but you can escape years sooner with these two strategies. The first way is short, high-earning cycles. Take seasonal or project contracts that pay well enough to let you take months off each year, if you find the right one for your profession. Work intensely for a few months, then enjoy extended breaks to travel, recharge, or focus on passion projects. The second way to escape the rat race is to live cheaper and invest the rest. Move to affordable countries like Portugal, Greece, Thailand, or Mexico. Work remotely so you can earn in dollars or euros while spending far less. Invest the difference in index funds or stocks and reinvest dividends so compounding grows your wealth faster, cutting years off your path to financial freedom. Pick one, start now, and you can step off the hamster wheel for good.